You want to be a legal nurse who runs a professional business, protects themselves legally, and gets paid consistently. Then you're going to need these 5 essential contracts. So let me show you exactly what you'll need and why. I'm Randy Lovelace, and after running a 6-figure legal nurse consulting business, I can tell you that proper contracts, they're not just legal protection. They're the foundation for professional credibility, transparent relationships, and consistent payments. Early in my career, I made the expensive mistake of working without clear contracts. I dealt with scope creep, payment disputes, misunderstandings that cost me thousands of dollars and countless hours of stress. So today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 types of contracts that every legal nurse consultant needs to maintain transparency, clarity, and integrity in all your work. And to be honest, these aren't really optional if you want to build a sustainable and professional practice. Now, before we dive in to specific contract types, let me explain why these 3 principles matter so much. First, transparency. Attorneys, they work in a world where everything has to be documented and defensible. And when you use clear contracts, you're speaking their language. You're showing that you understand professional accountability. Second, clarity. Misunderstandings destroy business relationships. Clear contracts eliminate ambiguity about what you'll deliver, when you'll deliver it, and what it will cost, and what happens if circumstances change. And last but not least, integrity. Professional contracts demonstrate that you're serious about your business. You're not just some hobbyist or amateur. You're a legitimate business professional who operates with clear terms and high standards. So, let's get into some specifics about the various contracts that you're going to need as you build your LNC business. Okay, contract type number 1. There's a long form master service agreement. This is your foundational contract. It establishes the overall relationship between you and each attorney or client that you work with. This is a comprehensive agreement. It's signed once when you first begin working with an attorney. And what it does is it establishes the general terms that's going to govern all future work that you do together. Think of it like an umbrella contract that covers the relationship, while individual fee agreements cover specific projects. The beauty of this contract is that once it's signed, you don't need to renegotiate these terms for every case. Both parties understand the relationship framework, and you can move quickly to individual fee agreements for each project. Andrea, who manages multiple $10,000 plus cases as COO of my LNC firm, she told me that having this master agreement in place allows her to start new cases quickly without renegotiating fundamental terms every time. Now, you might update this contract if your business structure changes, or you add major new service lines, or if significant time has passed, maybe every 2 to 3 years. And when you present this contract to attorneys, you immediately establish yourself as a serious professional. Attorneys work with contracts daily. When you have a comprehensive, well-drafted agreement, they recognize you as someone who understands business. Okay, contract type number 2, project-specific fee agreements. This is where most of your ongoing business activity happens. Individual fee agreements for each case or project. Before starting any paid work, you should create a specific fee agreement that outlines exactly what you'll be doing, what it's going to cost, and when it's going to be delivered. This protects both you and the attorney by eliminating that ambiguity. Even though you have a master service agreement, each case is different. Different scope, complexity, different timelines and deadlines, different deliverables and formats, different pricing based on the case specifics. And here's the important part. You need templated fee agreements for each type of work that you provide. Comprehensive chronology and report fee agreement, merit review fee agreement, causation summary fee agreement, demand letter fee agreement, expert witness location fee agreement, IME and DME observation and reporting fee agreement. And here's why these separate fee agreements for each work product type matter. Without clear scope definition, attorneys might assume additional services are included, like can you also research the standards of care, or can you also identify potential experts? And these additions can double your work, depending on the product that's been requested by them. And this also ensures fair compensation for different work products because different work products require different expertise, different time, liability. and your pricing should reflect that. And separate fee agreements allow you to price appropriately. It manages expectations when both parties sign a fee agreement that says exactly what will be delivered. There's no room for misunderstanding about the final product and what it's going to include. And it provides documentation if payment disputes arise. Your fee agreement is your evidence of what was agreed upon. And here's how this works in practice. Attorney contacts you and says, I have a case. You review the case details and the record volume. You set the appropriate fee agreement template. You customize it for the specific case, pricing, timeline, attorney, scope. You send it to the attorney and for review and signature. And then once it's signed, you begin the work. You deliver the work according to the agreed terms. You invoice based on the fee agreement, and payment terms follow what's in that said agreement. Yeah, this means that you create a fee agreement for every case, but here's the reality. Once you have your templates in place, this takes 5 to 10 minutes per case. That small time investment, it prevents hours of disputes and thousands in lost revenue. Plus, if you choose to join Catalyst, you'll get all of these contracts handed to you, and all you'll have to do is add your logo and press send. Okay, contract type number 3, expert witness contract. When you serve as an expert witness yourself, you need a completely different contract structure. This contract covers your services as an expert witness, providing opinions and testimony, which is fundamentally different from behind-the-scenes consulting work. So why is expert witness work separate from behind the scenes? Well, it involves multiple things: higher liability exposure, potential courtroom testimony, formal written reports, depositions and cross-examination, different compensation structures, retainer requirements. And why higher rates are standard in expert work is because expert witness work commands premium rates. Higher liability, professional risk, testimony under oath with cross-examination, formal written opinions that are subject to being challenged by the courts, and time commitment for court appearances, not to mention professional reputation that's on the line. Attorneys expect expert witnesses to charge more than behind-the-scenes consultants. Professional expert witness contracts establish these premium rates as a standard practice. Okay, contract type number 4, subcontractor agreements. Once you start scaling your business, you're going to need to bring in subcontractors, period. This contract is critical for protecting your business while enabling you to grow. This agreement is between you and the legal nurse consultant who's going to complete the work on your behalf for your attorney clients. And importantly, you create a new agreement for every case that you assign. Unlike your master service agreement with attorneys, you need to create a fresh subcontractor agreement on every case you assign because each case has different requirements and deadlines. Compensation is going to vary by case complexity. Case-specific confidentiality has to be established. You need to set clear deliverables and timelines for every project. And you'll be increasing subcontractor pay rates as they prove themselves to be trusted partners. For every case, you'll assign the case to a qualified subcontractor. You'll create a case-specific agreement. Both parties will sign that before the work begins. The subcontractor is going to complete the work according to the terms of the agreement, and then you'll review and approve the quality of their work product. Then, finally, you pay according to the agreement terms. Okay, the last type, the contract type number 5 I want to talk about is an individualized or customized agreement. Now, despite having standard contracts, you'll occasionally encounter situations that require customizing these agreements. And when you need these, could be a number of different situations, like ongoing retainer arrangements. So when an attorney wants guaranteed availability, you need to outline the monthly retainer fee, the services that are going to be included in the retainer, how any sort of overages and hours or billing is going to work, priority scheduling terms, minimum commitment period. They may also want one for like joint venture or partnership agreements. So when collaborating with attorneys or other LNCs or experts, you might want to outline revenue sharing arrangements, responsibility divisions, client ownership terms or dissolution provisions. Or there could be unique service offerings when providing services outside of your standard offerings like medical record organization projects, expert witness database access, training or educating services, or litigation support team membership. Another time is maybe in complex multi-phase projects. So when cases involve multiple stages over long periods, you could have a phase-based pricing and deliverables. You might have long-term timeline management or milestone payments or scope adjustment provisions written into the contract. Finally, strategic partnership agreements. When building ongoing relationships with law firms, you might have things like preferred provider status, discounted rates for volume, guaranteed turnaround times, or quarterly review meetings. The key is starting with your standard contract frameworks and adapting them rather than creating an entirely new agreement from scratch. And when customizing agreements, be sure to maintain your core protections like payment terms, liability limits, confidentiality. Be clear about what's different from your standard terms and document everything in writing. Have both parties initial any handwritten changes and consider having a third-party attorney who specializes in contracts to review your contract for any complex customizations. Now, here's the reality. Creating all these contracts from scratch could cost you thousands of dollars in attorney's fees and weeks of research for each contract that we've discussed here. Now, most legal nurse consultants have three options. Option one, you can use generic internet templates. Now, these aren't going to be tailored to legal nurse consulting. They're going to be missing critical components that are specific to your industry, and often they're going to create way more problems than they're going to solve. Option two, pay an attorney to draft them. This could easily cost you $5,000 to $15,000 plus to have an attorney draft all 5 contract types with appropriate variations that I just described. Plus, the attorney may not understand legal nurse consulting specifics. Option 3, get professional L&C specific contracts through Catalyst. And in Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring, we provide all 5 contract types that I just went over. They're professionally developed, they're field tested. These aren't just documents we hand you. We provide all the contract templates in editable format. We give you training on when and how to use each one, guidance on customization for your specific needs, instructions for presenting them professionally to clients. And we give you support for handling contract discussions and negotiations, as well as updates on contracts as they evolve or laws change. But we don't just give you contracts. We teach you the business thinking behind them, how to price different work products appropriately, how to structure deals that protect you and serve clients, how to enforce contracts professionally when you need to, how to handle disputes if they arise, how to scale your business using contractors safely. Now, let me bring all this full circle. These 5 contract types aren't just about legal protection. They're about maintaining the highest standards of transparency, clarity, and integrity in your business. Clear contracts mean no hidden terms, no surprises, no ambiguity. Both you and your attorney clients know exactly what to expect. This type of transparency builds trust and long-term relationships. When you have project-specific fee agreements for each case, there's zero confusion about deliverables, timelines, compensation. This clarity prevents 99% of business disputes. Using professional contracts demonstrates you're serious about your business. You're not casual, unprofessional, unclear about your boundaries. You operate within the same level of professional integrity that attorneys expect from all their business relationships. And here's the bottom line. You can't build a professional, sustainable legal nurse consulting business without proper contracts. But you also shouldn't spend thousands of dollars and weeks or months of time creating them from scratch when proven field-tested contracts already exist. In Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring, contracts are just one of the many components that you get in our complete business system that we provide. Inside of Catalyst, you'll get all 5 essential contract types, complete fee agreements, and templates from a library for every work product. You'll get training on implementation and use, ongoing updates and support, business coaching on structured deals and protecting yourself, plus training on how to create amazing work products, one-on-one coaching, and live group mentorship every week. So don't risk your business by working without proper contracts. Don't waste tens of thousands of dollars on attorney fees to create what we can already provide. Instead, check out our free introductory training, where I show you the complete framework for building a protected, professional legal nurse consulting business with all the systems and contracts you'll need to succeed. The link is in the description below. Check it out I hope you do, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.